Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Security for You. Today in this video we will discuss about fail safe and fail secure concepts which are being used in access control. We will understand their differences and common misconceptions. So, what is a fail safe? Fail safe mode unlocks when power is interrupted and it locks when power is not interrupted. So in this diagram, you can see that when there is a continuous power supply, then the door is locked. But if there is any emergency situation or in terms of fire or any power disruption, then the gate automatically gets unlocked if it is on a fail-safe mode. And these kind of locks are usually used in the areas which requires door to be unlocked during fire, power failure, or emergency situations, and in hospitals and fire exits, etc. And if we talk about fail secure mode, which is used in access control, fail secure locks when power is interrupted and it unlocks when power is not interrupted. So here there is a continuous power supply and door is in unlock condition. But as soon as power is interrupted, whenever there is a power failure, whenever there is a fire situation or any emergency scenario, then the gate gets locked. So this is widely used in areas which requires door to be locked for security reasons in case of emergency, that is inside offices, server rooms or banks, etc. Fail safe versus fail secure, and which one to choose. Fail safe. Fail safe lock means that its default state is actually unlocked. So its default state is unlocked. To keep it locked during normal business operations, power is applied. So power is applied to keep it locked during normal operations. And if this power is interrupted or failed, the door automatically unlocks or releases to let people out of the space. So if this power is interrupted, it will come again in default state, which is unlocked, and it will allow people to go out of space. That is why it is called safe. It's safe for people and not for the space. If we talk about fail secure means that if power is interrupted, the door stays locked. So if this is the power and this is the door, so if power is interrupted, the door is still locked. That's why it is called as secure. Its default state is locked or secured. So a fail secure lock locks the door when power is removed. Often, fail secure locks are used for IT rooms or other sensitive areas, like which we discussed earlier in this video. Moving next, what are the common misconceptions? Egress has always to be granted. That means it doesn't matter whether you are using a fail secure lock or fail safe lock, there is always a button to exit the door or the building, whether it is an emergency or not. We call it as a push button, or you can give it any other names. But egress has always to be granted, irrespective of any lock. And because people want to avoid fail safe locks from unlocking during power outages, they install backup batteries. So if you are using a fail safe lock, suppose if you are using a fail safe lock, and so we know that fail safe lock will not work if power is interrupted. So what people usually do is they install the backup battery so that it doesn't unlocks when power is interrupted. So actually it is like converting a fail safe to a fail secure model, and it is actually defeating the purpose of why fail safe locks have been installed in first place. So we have to take care of this, and that is all for today. See you in another video. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.